My name's Alex Tranter. I'm an actor, dancer. I'm currently in Moulin Rouge in the West End.
So we had Alex and we did My Shot from Hamilton.
Yeah, it was quite like audition-like. It was very insightful to know how the first round of auditions would be. And the choreo was just amazing, and Alex is just great.
They see their teachers every week and they see the growth and they work with them for that. And then having an external guest teacher in throws something completely different at them. So you're learning choreography from different shows that maybe you hadn't thought about. You might then be inspired to go, I can be in that show, which you may never have thought you would be. The response from the students today was brilliant. The energy was perfect. What they managed to do really well was stay focused in the class and really put all their effort in, but have some energy about them, have some joy, and that creates a better atmosphere for everyone. It means everyone wants to work hard, but have good fun at the same time, which brings out the best in creative people. I think Youth Festival is class. It's amazing to see so many different creatives of whether they work in theatre, they work in music, photography, any aspect of the creative world. It's really nice to get everyone together to show all the different aspects of this industry and how you can find a career path in any of those. I'm 10 years in the business now and I'm learning every day. Never think you know everything, because that's when you'll get left behind. You want to keep growing, keep learning, learn from different people, more experienced people than you and less experienced people than you. You can learn from them all at the same time. Anyone wanting to work in the creative industry should come to LMA, because firstly, the facilities are amazing. This space we've got is huge. Also, the people they're bringing in, I've seen people that I've not seen for 3-4 years, but they are at the top of their game. And the fact you get to work with them and meet them and have a connection with them is invaluable.